In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove GoDaddy Website Builder from your account. If you've decided it's time to make a change or explore other options, this guide will walk you through how to do it effortlessly. We'll take you through the process step by step, ensuring that each move is crystal clear so you can achieve what you intend without any difficulty or confusion. First, you'll want to log into your GoDaddy account. This can be done by heading over to GoDaddy's website. Once there, enter your username and password in the fields provided, then click on the Sign In button. It's important to ensure your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any delays. If you encounter any issues, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Once logged in, navigate to your My Products page. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the services you're currently subscribed to. It's quite useful for managing what services you have active. Take a moment to scroll through and locate Website Builder in this list. When you find Website Builder, look for an option that says Manage. Click on it to be taken to another page focused on the specific details of your Website Builder product. This is where you'll have the power to make all kinds of changes, including the one we're focusing on, removing the builder. Once inside the Website Builder Management area, you'll want to locate the Options or Settings section. This is usually accessible via a menu towards the top or side of this section, so it's hard to miss. There should be an option that says Delete Website or similar wording. By clicking this, you'll be starting the removal process. A critical note here, removing the website builder will eliminate all website data associated with it, so make sure you've backed up anything important that you might need in the future. A confirmation dialog will appear, asking if you're sure you want to delete the website. This step gives you a moment to double check, which is always a smart move. This safety net is in place to ensure that you don't remove your website inadvertently. If backup processes are in order and you're certain about your decision, confirm your choice by clicking Yes or Delete. After doing this, a message may pop up acknowledging that the process is complete. This usually happens quickly, but it's good to be patient as the system processes your request. Remember, once done, this action cannot be undone, so confidence in your choice is key. If anything seems unusual or you run into technical issues, the GoDaddy customer support team is available to assist you. And there you have it, a straightforward way to remove your GoDaddy website builder. Hopefully, this instructional guide made the process smoother for you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.